Hello friends. In this video we will talk about the best cloud storage software options. You know, that thing you probably use every day to back up your phone or share files with friends, but with so many choices out there, figuring out which one is right for you can be tricky. That's why we're going to break down the top contenders, look at their strengths and weaknesses, and help you pick the perfect cloud storage for your needs. Whether you're a digital minimalist or a data hoarder, we've got you covered. So before we dive into the different options, let's take a step back and really understand what we're talking about here. What exactly is cloud storage? Basically, it's like having a giant hard drive that lives on the internet instead of in your device. Imagine a vast network of servers all working together to store your data. Instead of saving files locally to your computer or phone, you're uploading them to a network of servers managed by a company like Google, Microsoft, or Dropbox. These companies have massive data centers filled with servers that store your information. This has some serious advantages. First off, accessibility. You can get to your files from any device with an internet connection, anywhere in the world. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or on a train, your files are just a few clicks away. No more emailing yourself documents or carrying around USB drives. It's all about convenience and ease of access. It also means your data is safe. If your device gets lost, stolen, or, God forbid, takes a dunk in the pool, your files are stored remotely, so you don't have to worry about physical damage to your device. Plus, most cloud services offer some level of automatic backup, so you can breathe easy knowing your precious files are safe and sound. Automatic backups ensure that even if you forget to save something, the cloud has your back. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some important considerations to keep in mind. One thing to consider is privacy. When you store your data in the cloud, you're essentially trusting a third party with your information. This means you need to be confident that your data is secure and that your privacy is respected. Make sure you choose a provider with a solid reputation for security and read the fine print on their privacy policies. Look for features like encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your data. Another factor is internet speed. While accessing your files is super convenient, it does depend on a stable and reasonably fast internet connection. Slow internet can make accessing your files a frustrating experience, something to keep in mind if you're a frequent traveler or have limited data. If you're often on the go or in areas with poor internet connectivity, cloud storage might not always be the most reliable option. However, when it works well, the convenience and peace of mind it offers can be invaluable. Imagine having all your important documents, photos and files accessible at your fingertips no matter where you are. So while cloud storage has its challenges, the benefits often outweigh the drawbacks. It's all about finding the right balance and choosing a service that fits your needs. In the end, cloud storage is a powerful tool that can make your digital life a lot easier. Just be sure to do your homework and pick a provider that you can trust. Alright, so you're sold on the idea of cloud storage. It's a smart move given how essential it has become in our digital lives. Now comes the fun part, choosing the right one for you. With so many options available, it can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we've got you covered. There are a ton of options out there, but a few key factors set them apart. First up, storage space. This is the most obvious consideration. How much data do you actually need to store? Think about your current needs and try to anticipate future requirements as well. If you're just backing up a few documents and photos, a free plan with a few gigabytes might be enough. These plans are great for light users, but if you're working with large files like videos or high-res images, you'll need a paid plan with more storage capacity. These plans can offer hundreds of gigabytes or even terabytes of space. Don't forget, those 4K videos add up fast. Next, let's talk security. This is non-negotiable, people. Your data's safety should be a top priority. Look for features like two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. This means even if someone gets your password, they can't access your data without a second form of verification. Also, check if the service offers end-to-end encryption, meaning your files are scrambled and unreadable to anyone but you, even the cloud provider themselves. This ensures maximum privacy. Another big one is integration. How well does the cloud storage service play with your other apps and devices? This can make or break your experience. How well does the cloud storage service play with your other apps and devices? Seamless integration can save you a lot of time and hassle. Seamless integration with your operating system, email client, and other productivity tools can be a huge time saver. It makes your workflow smoother and more efficient. Finally, consider the user experience. This is often overlooked, but incredibly important. Is the interface clean and intuitive? A well-designed interface can make a big difference in how you interact with the service. Is it easy to upload, download, and share files? These are basic functions that should be straightforward and hassle-free. A clunky interface can be a major productivity killer, so choose a service that feels smooth and effortless to use. Remember, the best cloud storage service is the one that fits seamlessly into your life and meets all your needs. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the nitty-gritty and compare some of the most popular cloud storage services out there. First up, we have the big three: Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive. These are the heavy hitters, the ones you've probably heard of, even if you haven't used them yourself. Google Drive, as you might guess, integrates seamlessly with the entire Google ecosystem. If you're all in on Gmail, Google Docs, and Android devices, Drive is a no-brainer. It offers 15 gigabytes of free storage, which is pretty generous, and paid plans are very reasonably priced. Next, we have Dropbox, the OG cloud storage service. Dropbox is known for its simplicity and reliability. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners, and it works seamlessly across all major platforms. The free plan only offers a measly 2 gigabytes of storage, but their paid plans are competitive and they offer some great collaboration features for teams. Finally, we have Microsoft OneDrive, which, you guessed it, plays nicely with the Microsoft world. If you're a Windows user and rely on Office 365, OneDrive is a natural choice. It offers 5 gigabytes of free storage and, like the others, has affordable paid plans with more storage. OneDrive also boasts some neat integration features with Windows 10, like automatic photo backups. While the big three are solid choices for most people, there are other cloud storage options out there that might be a better fit for your specific needs. For example, if privacy is your top priority, you might want to check out sync.com or pCloud. These services offer zero-knowledge encryption, meaning even they can't access your data. If you're dealing with massive files like raw photos or 4K video projects, you might need a service with more storage capacity. This is where services like Amazon Drive and Mega come in. Amazon Drive offers unlimited photo storage for Prime members, which is a steal, and Mega offers a whopping 20 gigabytes of free storage, no strings attached. Another factor to consider is whether you need specialized features for collaboration or file sharing. Services like Box and Tresorit offer advanced features for businesses and teams, like granular permission controls and activity tracking. The point is, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to cloud storage. Take some time to think about your specific needs and priorities, and don't be afraid to shop around and try out a few different services before you commit. Before we wrap things up, let's take a quick look at some common cloud storage terms you should know. Understanding these terms will help you navigate the world of cloud storage with more confidence and ease. First up, we have SaaS, or Software as a Service. This is a fancy way of saying that cloud storage is a service you access over the internet, rather than software you install on your computer. SaaS allows you to use applications hosted by a service provider, which means you don't have to worry about maintenance or updates. With SaaS, you can access your data from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. This flexibility is one of the key benefits of cloud storage. Next, we have encryption, which we've already touched on. Encryption is the process of scrambling your data to make it unreadable to anyone without the decryption key. This ensures that your data remains secure and private. Encryption is crucial for protecting sensitive information such as personal documents, financial records, and business data. Look for services that offer strong encryption standards. Look for services that offer end-to-end encryption, meaning your data is encrypted on your device before it's even uploaded to the cloud. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only you and the intended recipient can access the data. Two-factor authentication is another important security feature. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring you to enter a code from your phone or email in addition to your password. Two-factor authentication helps protect your account even if your password is compromised. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your online security. Syncing is another term you'll hear a lot, and this refers to the process of keeping your files updated across all your devices. When you make a change to a file on one device, it will automatically sync to the cloud and then to your other devices. Syncing ensures that you always have the latest version of your files no matter which device you're using. This is especially useful for collaborative work and for accessing your files on the go. When you make a change to a file on one device, it will automatically sync to the cloud and then to your other devices. This seamless synchronization helps you stay organized and efficient. Finally, we have integration, which we've also talked about. Integration refers to how well a cloud storage service works with other apps and services. Seamless integration can save you a lot of time and hassle by automating tasks and making it easier to share files between different apps. Integration allows you to streamline your workflow by connecting your cloud storage with other tools you use daily. This can include email, project management software, and more. Seamless integration can save you a lot of time and hassle by automating tasks and making it easier to share files between different apps. This interconnectedness is one of the major advantages of using cloud storage in today's digital world. Choosing the right cloud storage service is a crucial step for any individual or business that relies on continuous and secure access to data. It's important to compare the available options based on space, security, integration, and ease of use. Regardless of your choice, cloud storage services remain an indispensable tool in the age of ever-increasing digital data.